I'll go and run it around the garden for a few minutes. What this is all about is the GoPro gives you particularly good image stabilization. Having said that, the image stabilization when we're looking through the cab is probably not going to work, because it will see all the bodywork as fixed in relation to the GoPro, and the fact that the image you see bouncing up and down out there, I don't think the camera can stabilize that. So I think I've just wasted my time. But we'll give this a run now in the garden just for test purposes. Right, we'll give it a little run. Here we are. I don't think I put a very good battery in there, actually. That seems to be struggling more than it should do. Oh yes, we're going ever so slowly. I think we put a flat battery in there. Yeah, I don't think we're going to get up there this time. Oh, go on, you can do it. It just hasn't got enough battery power. Alright, we're going to have to put a different battery in there. This is no good. Right, back in a minute when we put a decent battery in there.
Well, I put the new battery in there. I'll put the new battery in there. Drove it around.
I put the new battery in and I've been driving it around and forgot to turn the camera back on again. This camera, the one on board, is actually running anyway. So we'll do a little bit more just so you can see that a decent battery makes all the difference. It's actually trying to show you the battery there. That's one of my LiPo vape batteries, or 2 vape batteries and a 2S. So a free 2S battery. Can't get it back on now. What's stopping it? So yeah, significantly better, decent battery. That'll do. It works. Well, we will find out actually. We'll watch the onboard footage.
So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave us a comment so I know how I'm doing. And somewhere up here there'll be some links to related playlists. Thanks again.